Hello everybody, it's an exciting one today because we've got a big one to unbox. If you're new around here, the big one is our quarterly journaling subscription, and every quarter we pick a self-development or self-care concept and we explore it via the medium of stationery in our journals and planners. And this quarter our concept is self-love, and this box is called Summer of Love. It's all very retro inspired, think Woodstock, think 60s. It's lush. You're gonna love it. So first of all, when the box arrives, you'll see that we've got these really great stickers sealing the box. So we've gone for love yourself and make plans, not war, as our two kind of motifs on the outside of the box. And then we're going to open up and we're going to jump right in to the stationery included. You're going to be able to see some spoilers as soon as I open. Let's grab the goodies. So you'll know if you are a subscriber that we have two different subscriptions. We have the big one and we have Theme Box. And the difference between the two is that Theme Box has set items every month that are designed differently, have different decoration based on the theme that we're exploring, but you will get the same kind of set items of stencils, stickers, washi tape, and then one surprise bonus item. Whereas with the big one, this is where we get to really experiment and do some different stuff, and we've really done that big time in this quarter's box. So I'm going to take these away and we'll come back to them. The first thing you'll see is that we've included this gorgeous tote bag. It has the love yourself motif on the front. We've been saying in the office that this would be great for keeping kind of like your sun creams and stuff in to take with you on holiday. But of course it's big enough for a B5 journal. So if you want to keep your journal and journaling supplies, you'll see that it fits my very battered journal. Just something a little bit different. Has a drawstring top to it. Oop, can you see that? If you wanted to. It's lovely thick cotton canvas material. So that's the first item, and I'm going to grab the goodies from the middle. And then within our boxes, I'm going to just make those go to a side so that we can focus on what's in front of us straight away. We always will include some stickers of some sort, some stencils of some sort, a washi tape of some sort. And then I'm going to start off with the quarterly planning pack for a change. So this is our Make Plans Not War motif. And this you get within every quarterly box. It includes theme planner stickers. I'm just going to stand up so that I'm closer to the camera. So this is a full page sticker sheet that you can peel off the back and stick it into your journal. And for the quarter ahead, it enables you to plan for the theme that you're going to put in your journal or planner. So you can write the name of the theme here, the fonts that you're going to use, the colour scheme, and maybe the pens that you're going to use. Any stencils and supplies you have lined up, and then you can swatch your washi tape for the month. So you get 3 of those, and then you also get a quarterly goal planner where you can align what are your 3 goals for this quarter, why do you want to achieve them, and break it down into steps so that you've planned out what you're going to achieve across the coming quarter. So that's our quarterly planning pack that you'll always get as a subscriber. So I'm going to leave that there. And then we'll go into the next section, which is stencil power. And what we've included in this quarter's box is 2 full-size font stencils in such a cute font. This is the Summer of Love font. So the stencil, let me show you, let me grab my journal. That's the stencil for uppercase. It's a lovely sort of hippified retro font. and that is the stencil for lowercase, and you've also got the numbers at the bottom there. And then with any of our stencils you get a cheat sheet which shows you what the font should look like and some tips on how to use, and then they're all hole punched, so they will go in our storage binders, or you can put them in an A5 Filofax if you'd rather. So that's our stencils for the quarter. I'm going to pop those back in there. And this is where we start to have fun with the contents. So what shall I do first? Probably this one. So this is not just stickers, it is actually a 30-day self-love challenge. So I'm going to slide off the belly band. We've tried to reduce the amount of plastic that we've used in this box, so you'll notice some paper packaging instead to hold things together. So you've got actually 10 sheets of stickers, all different. That is a lot of stickers. 10 sheets, 10 A6 sheets of stickers. On each sheet of stickers, you've got 3, let me show you. That's an individual sticker. 3 prompts for self-love, and then some decorative stickers down in the corner. So these are like little individual daisies there, and that one. So the ones that are in this corner are slightly different, and then these are all the same size. So these can be journaling prompts, but they can also be prompts for things that you can do. So plan a peaceful evening routine, describe a time when you said no or enforced a boundary, make time to go outside without your phone. So the idea is that every day for 30 days, you will grab one of these stickers and you will pop it in your journal, and you'll like either reflect on how the activity made you feel, or you would journal the journaling prompt. So that one, you've got some nice little daisy stickers. Then we've got our cute little hearts. Got some peace signs, good vibes only. We've included our road trip motif because all of our boxes, both monthly and quarterly across a quarter, all have coordinating colour schemes and concepts, so it all works really nicely together. We've got some camper vans, some different flowers, hearts, more peace signs, love yourself, and the daisies. So that's 10 sheets of stickers, masses. And we hope a month of self-care and self-love and reflection. So that's that. What am I going to do next? Ooh, maybe let's do the washi tape. So it is a full-size washi tape. There's 10 meters on the reel. No sample sizes here. Whoop. And please notice how my nails match the theme of the box. Had them done specially. So we've gone for like a really, oops, upside down, retro vibes, peace, love and planning, 60s hippie-fied. It's a bit nuts, but we love it. Rainbows, sunrises, flowers, really cute decoration. That is our washi for the summer of love. That back there. That's our next item. So 2 full-size stencils, 4 full-page sticker sheets, 10 A6 sticker sheets, a washi tape. There's more. I'm going to go for this one. We've got a DL notepad, she says. Let's slide this out. Again, we've cut down on the paper packaging, and this one says love your week. There's 50 sheets on this notepad. It's a full thickness notepad 120 GSM, uncoated paper. And the idea of this is that you will pop the date that you're starting it, an affirmation for the week, and you'll see that these little sections have dot grid on them to make it easier to write straight. And then you can break your task into your top 3 tasks and then everything else. We've popped some habits on there for you. So you've got self-care, hydrate, get some fresh air, and then we've left this one blank so you can add your own 4th habit, and then we've added a note section at the bottom. These are such lovely thick pages. Love this pad. It'll be great for having on your desk, or you could even tear off a sheet and stick it in your journal. And then that leads to our next items, which I'm super excited about. So I'm going to come in with one first. It is a Zigg Clean Colour Dot Pen. These are the official Zigg branding. We've got them shipped from Japan. Just going to open it up. Double-ended pen. So you've got the dot end on this end. And then you've got the fine line end on that end. And we've gone in like the orangey colour that goes with the box. And then you've also got, hold on, love this one. She says, I'm trying to get into the plastic. We have reduced plastic where we can, but unfortunately these come already shipped in plastic. And the reason they come shipped like that is to stop the lids from coming off in transit, so I understand it. This gorgeous teal colour, which matches almost my nails. And again, that's the dot end. That is the fine liner end. And the idea is with this is that we have added these circles to the notepad so that as you complete your habits, you can use your dot to track your habits. Like this. Down the week. Ah, all works together so nicely. So full-size notepad, 2 Zigg dot pens, not finished yet. I'm going to come in with this one. Those of you that have been around for a long time and been following Upsy Daisy for a long time will remember that there was a time that we used to include tea bags in with all of our orders. We changed those to the bookmarks that you now get when you order from the shop. But I saw this and it matched the theme so perfectly, like orange, groovy swirl. It is a ginger and hemp lemongrass and ginger tea. So while you're doing some journaling, have a cup of tea, take a moment just to breathe. And we hope that you enjoy a little cup of tea, a little break on us. So tea bag, and then the very last item, I'm going to unbox over here, is this, which I kind of felt was perfect for this retro vibed wooden ruler. We've had it imprinted with write on, so kind of like write on as in write on with measurements, but write on as in what you would say in the hippie times. And then it's got a lovely scalloped edge, so you can use it to make the edges of your journal page. Made it long enough that it is long enough for a B5 journal, which is what this is. Oop. And then you've got the measurements along this side. This is everything that is within this quarter's box. Just as a quick recap, you have got 4 full-page A5 sticker sheets. You've got 2 full-size A5 font stencils. You've got 10 A6 sticker sheets with multiple stickers within. You've got 10 meters of washi tape. You've got 2 Zigg Colour Dot double-ended pens. You've got a full-size DL notepad, 120 GSM with 50 pages, a tea bag, a lovely wooden ruler, and this great tote bag. We've gone all out this quarter and I absolutely love what we've put together. I think it looks so cohesive. That's why I had to have my nails done to match. I think it's a really usable box. If you're not someone that does a ton of kind of reflective journaling, I think these prompts will be a really easy way to begin that process. Still being productive, but with a view to kind of adding self-care and affirmations and self-love into your productivity routine. And well, these dot pens we've been requested. People have been requesting them for us for ages, and they're not easy to get hold of. We had to find a supplier in Japan and select the colours that we wanted and get them sent over to us. So we really hope that you're going to absolutely love this box. If you've watched this video through to now, please drop in the comments a little emoji to let us know what you think of the box. If you're not a subscriber, please have a look over on our website. We have a few boxes left, but I hope that they're not going to be hanging around for long. So if you would like to subscribe, pop over to our website and have a look. If you subscribe before the end of June, this will be your first box delivery while stocks last, obviously. Yeah, I hope you love it. I hope you love it as much as we do, and I hope you manage to take some time for self-love and self-care, because it's really important. And we'll be emailing everyone that is a subscriber very soon with the next quarter's concept, and that's also looking awesome. Yeah, thank you all and have a great week. Lots of love. Bye bye bye.